So here we're going to make sure we key in the tensor against the floor. We first, as you saw, we wetted the surface of the substrate. Make sure that dry Durock Wonder Board doesn't take away the moisture of the tensor. Try to give a consistency on the tensor. In one direction. Got a trowel in one direction. After we do that, truly, my friends, not every company in Miami does this. We make sure we enforce that in every installation. We key in the back of the tile, we key in the substrate, and we come with the trowel an even direction. So then we come again, we put it in place, we squeeze it down, make sure it makes fully contact. And there we go. That's how we do it, right? That simple. This is once again the Miami floors for you, giving you updates on how we do work, how we do it right in Miami. Have a great day. The Miami floors, we do it right.